Amidst the pristine beauty of Indonesia's Anambas archipelago lies the enchanting Bawah Reserve, a haven for travellers seeking a harmonious blend of luxury and nature. This is our third day on the island, and we had spent the last few days swimming and snorkeling in the pristine waters of Bawah Reserve. Today, we are taking a stroll to explore the diverse accommodation options, admire the unique architectural concept, and discover the breathtaking landscape of this remarkable resort. The tented garden villa, for example, marries the glamour of a safari accommodation with all the modern amenities. We then immersed ourselves in lush greenery and tranquillity as we walked to the other end of the island, chancing upon a few gardeners hard at work to maintain the landscape. If you need more space, consider the private pool villa with its spacious dining area and separate sleeping quarters. Further down the path, we stepped onto the boardwalk as we made our way to the overwater villas. Here, guests can experience the epitome of luxury suspended over crystal clear waters. With direct access to the sea, these exquisite accommodations provide an unparalleled sense of serenity and intimacy. Soon it was time for lunch, and one of the best lunch experiences during our stay, in our opinion, was at the boathouse. While waiting for lunch to be served, we enjoyed the rustic atmosphere, sitting on recycled furniture and gazing at the clear blue sea. The restaurant structures blend natural materials with contemporary elements, creating an aesthetic that complements the pristine beauty of the landscape. As we headed back to our villa, we can't help but appreciate the resort's architectural vision, blending lush gardens, natural structures, and Instagrammable views at every corner.